Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky. Today's day 4 of our streak. Let's keep it going. Give me a thumbs up to encourage me to do a video tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss tomorrow's video. Guaranteed it's going to come out. Yesterday we looked at the killer ghost note shuffle groove. Worked our left hand really hard. If you haven't checked that video out yet, check the cards right now. I'll put a link into it. You'll want to check that out and work your left hand really hard. Today I'm going to do a short lesson because yesterday's lesson was really long and it took me forever to edit it. It was like a 17-minute lesson, and you can imagine how long that took to edit. So today is a quick chop. 2 days ago, we looked at an Eric Moore halftime shuffle. I was looking at some other Eric Moore videos, and he played this lick that reminded me of a lick that I taught like 8 years ago. It's a little variation on it, so we're going to look at that. I'm going to play it for you now, then I'll break it down for you. All right, there's a lick. Let's break it down. It's super simple. It's just really fast. So it's all 30-second notes, and we caught that snare drum cracking on 2 and 4. In this video, it's like Eric Moore plays an open solo. I'll link it below. There's a transcription already in the video, so you can look at the music there. And Eric starts off by playing a groove, and I'm going to play it like way slower so you can see what's going on. So Eric starts off by playing a groove with just kick on 1 and 3, snare on 2 and 4. And of course, it's like twice as fast as this. And then he just moves into this floor tom lick, but he keeps the groove going. So from here to... So that's a lick that he starts playing. And then I added just kind of something to make it more of a fill instead of a groove thing. It's super simple. It's right hand on floor tom, kick, kick, right hand on the floor tom again, left hand on the snare drum, kick, hat, hat. So again, right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, hat, hat. That's the whole lick. Right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, hat, hat. Right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, hat, hat. Right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, hat, hat. All right, this is very similar to a lick that I taught like 8 or 9 years ago. I'm going to put a link into the description right here, and you can check it out. And it's just crazy how licks get regurgitated and just morphed and changed, and how everything kind of is influencing everything else. Now, what I did to finish this lick is the sticking is exactly the same, but instead of going to the hat, we're going to go to the small tom. So you're going to play right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, and then instead of hat, hat, you're going to go tom, tom, and then we'll play that groove again. So that's kind of how I ended this lick. And then snare, snare. But the sticking and the pattern is exactly the same. You can go tom, tom if you want to do that too. You can move it anywhere that you want, really. So experiment with that. I hope that helped you out, guys. Please like, subscribe, drop me a comment below. Let me know that you are sticking with me on my streak, and I'll see you tomorrow. Be sure to share this video with somebody that you think would enjoy it, and tell them, hey, we're on a streak, drum lesson a day. Mike's crazy. He's just crazy. Being all cooped up in his house, it's making him go crazy. Put a drum lesson up every day. See you guys tomorrow.